In this video, we will show you how to replace your blower motor. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. We're going to go ahead and open up the hood and make our way over towards the passenger side of the firewall. You're going to be able to find the blower motor located right here. Start by disconnecting the wiring for it. In this area, there should be a squeeze tab that you can squeeze in and gently pull this apart. Give it a quick check for corrosion. If you see corrosion, you're going to want to deal with that. Ours looks fine, so I'll set this aside. Once the wiring is disconnected, we'll move along to this tube right here. Carefully pull it off of that box, and then you'll find that you can pull this off of the blower motor. Just give it a little wiggle and remove the entire thing. Once that's off of there, we'll just give it a quick check. You want to make sure that it's still soft and pliable and it's not torn, worn, or damaged in any way. Now you can move along to removing all 4 of your 8mm headed bolts that hold the blower motor to the box. You'll find 2 up along the top and 2 more directly underneath those. As you remove your upper screws, you'll find that there's a bracket held in place with those. Go ahead and grab onto that and set it aside. Now I'll move down to my lower ones. Right down here, ours is missing. We'll move over to this one. Take hold of the blower motor and remove it from the box. With that out of there, continue on by cleaning down the area and make sure there's no gasket residue. Now we can continue on with our gasket. We'll slide this into place. You're going to find that you have several holes making their way around that need to fit in with their alignment tabs that are on the box itself. We'll put this in position. When you put this in position, make sure you have the flat area facing down. Slide this down in here, being extremely careful not to damage the blower motor in any way. Align the blower motor with all of your alignment tabs. When you've done that, all of your mounting bolt holes should line up as well. Once your blower motor's in place, let's put this bracket on as well. We'll get this lined up. After you've done that, you can continue on by putting in all 4 of your mounting bolts. We'll start in each of them. Once all of them are started, you can snug them up. Now we can install our rubber tube. You'll find that you have this area that needs to go into the hole on the blower motor. We'll take the rubber band part of it and slide it over the blower motor. Set this in position, sliding that piece into the blower motor. Once you're sure that's completely secured, continue on to the far side. We'll push that onto the box. Make sure that's secured as well. Now it's time to connect our electrical adapters. Find the one that fits your application. We'll take this and slide it into position on the electrical harness. When you slide this in, you want to make sure that it clicks and is secured. There we go. Give that a little wiggle. We can tuck this aside and we'll continue on to the other area of this and connect it onto the blower motor. Once again, listening for a click and making sure it's secure. Okay friends, we showed you how to install your blower motor. At this point, hop inside the passenger compartment, put the key in the on position, and test your blower motor on all speeds. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.